I figured I would make this a short if I can get this magazine apart in under a minute. Anyway, I bought this Otis magazine disassembly tool, and you know, I wanted to get the base plate off of this Glock magazine here. Now the other one I did, I scored up this button pretty good doing it with a Glock tool. You could also do it with a punch getting it off, and it fought me for the better part of 10 minutes, so I didn't put it on video. But I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. If I can get it apart here. Oops. And what you're supposed to do is just basically put this in here like that and pull it off. So yeah, it didn't go as planned. What does this say? Hold magazine with one arm. Place thumb on top of the magazine, capture screen, keep pointing in a safe direction. I don't know. Doesn't seem like it wants to come off easy, so not going to be a short. Okay, so in my estimation, this tool doesn't work very good. Maybe it's because I had this short magazine, you know, and it was just hard to get off. Hard to get off this base plate, but I fought with it for a while, and what I did was I took this rag here and wrapped it around the edges of the magazine so I wouldn't mess up the plastic. And I took this vice grip thing and clamped it down right here on either side. You know, not too hard. You can see I didn't mar it up because I had that rag there. And you know, just put ever so much pressure on the side of the mag well, and took this punch and just then it proceeded to come off, but only then, and only then. I just couldn't get the leverage with this tool. So, you know, save yourself $9.